tell me it's not good enough. I'm just really, I like to see the last court. I seemed like I had clear proof and evidence and everything.
Sir,
and
we're not relitigating the prior small claim.
I know, but that just like, I'm just like, I just seem like I'm at a really
remedies that you can pursue. That's fine.
Okay,
we're here purely for a procedural.
That.
Mr. Kessler, please stop interrupting the court. All right, Miss Hoisington.
You got the court date.
Well, there are other ways that people can find out court dates, sir. Please,
well,
a reminder that this is a courtroom. Please act accordingly.
Yes, Your Honor, I did. I dropped the one off at the courthouse. I had sent certified mail, did the proper procedures. I have the certified mail receipt. She obviously got it, so she's here at the court date. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you file it? I'm just not showing it in our files. Has it been submitted to the court, that proof of service?
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
When?
When I got this court date, and you amended it, and we started the process. That's how we got here. I did it. I went down and filed the papers, dropped you off the evidence, all the forms, and that's how you sent me the court date. And that's how we got where we're at now. I didn't just, that's how, I did it by filing the right papers, and
Sir,
here we are, I guess.
Correct. But so you filed what we have in our court file, and this is, again, all I have in front of me. I have the original small claim that was filed, that we did not have valid proof of service, and Ms. Hoisington, I don't believe, was present at that time. Oh no, you were not present at that time, but Ms. Hoisington was. You did not have good service. The call kept dropping. You plan to file an amended claim. You were informed that you have 30 days to file the amended claim, which you did file the amended claim on. Come on, load. Okay. It was May 5th. And you're saying you filed the proof of service on that date?
I'm not sure. I've had so many different, but everything I've done it right after I'm not sure the court date, but the date exactly, but I know I did it. I know that's how we got here. I don't see any other way we could have even got here if I didn't do the papers and do all this stuff. So I just don't understand. I just, I don't know. It just seems like you're just really against me in every way, ma'am.
I have to find that valid, sir. This is for every single case that comes before me. I have to find out if valid proof. Sir, please, I have let you spoke. Sir, it comes first, has to prove service. Not showing one in courts. We are here today. It happens sometimes where if you have filed it, it may not have made it into the court file. That's fine. However, I'm not showing it right now. We can set the dates and we can go from there. However,
I'll just start over. I'll just redo it.
You don't need to start over, Mr. Kessler. If you would let me finish my sentence, you would hear me say that I just need you to file proof of service prior to the trial date. So, does that make sense? So the piece of paper, so there's a piece of paper that says proof of service. There's 3 different options on it. Personal service, substitute service, service by certified mail. If you did certified mail, you would then have to provide the receipt and the little ticket they give you for the certified mail.
Yeah.
Did you file that piece of paper with the proof of service?
I don't know if that one, if I just sent certified mail. Some I did, some I didn't. Some I sent certified mail. Some seemed like she was ready to go to court. She seems to have got it. She's here, for the court. So that's how she got the court date.
I understand.
With a certified mail thing.
Mr. Kessler.
So that's the only way I did it was certified mail.
That's okay. Somebody can serve somebody with notice. What I am saying is the court requires the proof of that service filed with the court.
Mm-hmm.
So she may have received she may have received the claim. Obviously she did if she's here. But I need the proof of service filed with the court, just like every single other person.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that because the proof's kind of in the pudding where she's here, obviously, but
there is no pudding proof in this court.
So I guess I have to call the courthouse to make sure that she got it, and then bring you guys something.
No,
I mean the post.
There's a piece when you file something. You're supposed to submit the proof of service. There's a piece of paper that has 3 different options. It sounds like you've done this a few times. I know you've done this a few times. I know
but
you know what paperwork to fill out.
Some of them I just did straight certified mail, and some I did the guys at the post office. Sometimes they would do it one way. I didn't, and sometimes I would tell them, but they would just I don't know. They would just take off and just say, "Well, this is fine. This is cheaper. Or this will be fine, or whatever."
Yes,
and,
I understand that, but the post office
ways.
does not. You are required to provide the proof of service. They give you the little ticket that you've attached to it, but you are required to file the proof of service.
Okay, I'll see if I can track that
dates.
down.
We can set the dates, but that is the court is requiring you to file that prior to the trial date.
I think I would rather almost start over because I just have a feeling, after the last case, I don't know. I just feel like I could show the complete evidence, and you're probably still going to tell me it's not good enough. I'm just really. I like to see the last court. I seemed like I had clear proof and evidence and everything.
Sir, we're not relitigating the prior small claim.
I know, but that just like I'm just like it. I just seem like I'm at a really
disadvantage that you can pursue. That's fine. We're
Okay,
here purely for a procedural. Mr. Kessler, please stop interrupting the court. All right, Ms. Hoisington, are you aware of the claim that Mr. Kessler is bringing against you for $10,000?
I got two of the papers.
And what did you receive? 1 second, let's see. Why is this? Hold on, my system is very slow. 1 moment. There we go. Laserfish is not helping me out here. Come on. There we go. Okay. So we had the small claim and then we had the amended small claim. Both had $10,000 listed. Did you receive both of those or just?
I have copies of both of them.
Okay.
I was never served them, but I have copies of both of them.
How did you receive copies of both of them?
The first thing that I got, the thing that is the original one that he sent was certified mail, because I always keep everything.
Sure.
And the other one, he just mailed it. No certified, no nothing.
So the one that was the second, that was filed March 16th. Hold on a second. Let me make sure I get so there's March 16th that was filed. And then there was May 5th.
And the other one doesn't have a file date on it that he sent me certified.
So which one do you have?
I have each one. I have one.
March 16th and May 5th.
Mm-hmm. It says May 5th courthouse.
Okay.
And then the other one is stamped May 5th.
Okay. So and do both say amended on the top?
One says amended.
Okay.
The other one does not.
Okay. So it looks like the original one was not served. And then the one that was May 5th was sent via certified mail?
I think I got all this in one envelope.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Kessler, it does appear that you sent that certified mail, so I just need the proof of service filed with that prior to the trial date. We are going to set 3 dates. All right. Our trial date is going to be August 25th at 1:30 p.m.
And what day of the week is that?
It's always going to be on a Tuesday.
Okay, August 20, okay.
All right. All right, Mr. Kessler, can you press *6 to unmute? Okay, and did you hear the trial date, August 25th at 1:30 p.m.?
August 25th at 1:30?
Correct. I'm going to give you 2 other dates on top of that as well. So August 11th will be the deadline for the parties to submit exhibits. Please submit two identical copies of exhibits, one for the opposing party and one for the court. Any exhibits filed after the 11th may not be considered by the court, so please keep that in mind. And then August 18th will be the date that the exhibits are going to be made available for the parties to pick up. So we have August 11th, August 18th, and August 25th.
What started as a simple procedural hearing quickly turned into a tense courtroom confrontation. The judge was only asking for one thing, proof that the defendant had been properly served. But instead of answering directly, Mr. Kessler insisted he had done everything correctly and even suggested the judge was treating him unfairly. As the discussion continued, his frustration grew. He claimed that no matter what evidence he presented, the judge would probably reject it anyway. The judge stayed calm but made one thing crystal clear: this wasn't about opinions or past cases, it was about following court procedure. After several interruptions, she firmly told him, "Please stop interrupting the court." In the end, the hearing wasn't dismissed. The judge simply ordered him to file the required proof of service before the trial could move forward and set new deadlines for the case. One missing document nearly derailed the entire lawsuit, proving that in court, following the rules is just as important as having a case.